Hi there, my name's Stephen Colber. I'm an English, History and EAL teacher, and for the last 4 years I've been making instructional videos for my class to allow me a little bit more freedom in the classroom to do interesting and engaging things, and I hope that you'll come along with me on the journey. Okay, so why should you use instructional video? For me personally, I found that I was teaching the same content over and over again about poetry every year. I'd done it year upon year, and I had it really down to a fine art, and I felt like there's no way I'm going to improve this. So I decided that I should record it as a video, and that way I could allow students to watch it at their own time. For other teachers, they might find that there's too much content to get through, especially at the senior years of school, and so you might turn some of those things into videos. That then means students can do it at home rather than in class, freeing you up to do more experiments, more active work, and actually getting involved with the students and checking their understanding. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need some really high quality audio. So if I think of my first video that I made, I used the inbuilt webcam on my computer and the inbuilt microphone. Now the problem was the hard drive was very full, had a very loud fan, and so watching that back now, it's absolutely unwatchable because of the audio. So when making video, remember audio is king. You can use very low quality video, but as much as you can, pay for a little bit extra for a good microphone and have really good high quality audio. Okay, so in terms of audio, depending on what device you're using to film on, you'll probably want some kind of lapel mic to connect to, say, your phone or a DSLR camera that you have. If you're filming in a class, you're going to need a wireless microphone as much as possible, because the problem, of course, is that you've got students, and from my experience at least, students tend to be noisy and talk and have interactions, and so to overcome that you're going to need some sort of a wireless solution, or perhaps a directional microphone that you can point at you teaching if you're going to film in class. If you're not filming in class, obviously it's a lot easier, and you can use any combination of the things that I've just talked about: a USB mic connected to your computer, an inbuilt microphone, an external microphone, wireless microphone, whatever you've got is fine. As long as you're getting really crisp audio with no background sound, then you're good to go ultimately. Okay, so video, again, we're starting at a very low bar, and I'll be able to talk you through a whole different range of videos that you can make depending on what you've got to use, but just use your phone, whatever you've got, a portable device, as long as it's got a little camera in it, you're good to go and can film video. You might want to use a webcam if your computer doesn't have one built in, or just whatever you have on your laptop or your portable device. That's ideal. If you ever want to upgrade to a DSLR or a actual video camera, that's something that you can do, but again, focus first on the audio, because the quality of your audio is very important, whereas the quality of your video is less important, because the important thing is, of course, what you know, your personality, and the fact that you're communicating with your students directly. So you've got the tools in front of you. I strongly suggest you don't spend any money on this, but use whatever tools you've got to hand. It might be worth picking up a microphone if you can, but keep in mind that you've got the tools ready. Now we're just going to step you through the process of actually producing your first video. And you might want to pause for a moment and think about what content you'd like to deliver, something that you teach every year or that you think you're really confident at teaching, something that's evergreen, that will stay around forever. And then let's get into it.